So I have a podcast between two Amy's. I have another Amy that does the podcast with me, who's a realtor. We we have that podcast, and whether it be somebody that's doing something special in the community, I'm trying to think of what we do with that, like what our last one was. So again, like I live in a college town. There's so many cool people in this town that nobody knows about, and I will tell you this. I started the podcast exactly a year ago, and you probably feel this way too. But sometimes we don't take the time to sit down and talk to somebody for an hour. We just don't. We're all so busy. That hour of a week in my podcast is like the best hour. And they come into I have a podcast room in my house, and we do it live. And it is so refreshing. And what that does is that goes onto my Facebook, my YouTube, and whoever I'm talking to, that gets all spread out into social media land. And that's my way of giving back to the community, letting know everybody what's going on in the community. If it's a business owner, helping them grow their business, I hope. That's my main goal, is to like let more people know that they're open. And what they do. I also do business spotlights, and those are videos with just me. And I have like a little videographer. I call them everybody's a little videographer, little people in my world, I don't know why I use that term, but so I have a videographer, and I'll do a business spotlight where we go all in and we interview that certain business, whether it be a brick and mortar store. I'm trying to think of what else I've done as of recently. A lot of stuff around campus that I'll do, different people, but all relating to businesses, and basically something that they can put on their Facebook. And it's kind of like a little commercial, basically, because we do B-roll showing what they're selling, showing the big, huge cinnamon roll, which sounds really good right now, coffee or whatever from a coffee shop. And then I let them have it as well, so that they can share it as a commercial too. So that's kind of one of my passions, big time.